So we got ourselves a little swift comparison here of the brand new iPhone Ultra or iPhone Fold versus what would be the biggest competition, the iPad Mini. For being honest, this is like the one for one, what everyone's going to compare the two devices to. What everyone's going to say, hey, this device and this device is pretty much the same concept, is the iPad Mini. Instead of Apple coming out with an iPad Mini, they're coming out with an iPad or iPhone Fold. And to be honest, it actually looks very, very well compared to the iPad Mini. Now, obviously, compared bezel-wise, obviously, there's going to be more bezels. So screen to body ratio will be a little bit different when you compare the two. But still, size-wise, pretty on point. I have been very vocal about my opinion of the iPhone Fold, and mainly it's been that I just feel like it's a weird shape and size. Like, I don't have an issue with it per se, like them coming out with it, because, listen, at the end of the day, I love innovation. I love, companies pushing the envelope and giving us products. I love that. It creates better competition around the industry, and it gets the consumer better products. I love that, but I will say, though, it is seeming to be what might be the future of where the foldable phone industry goes, which is kind of, ironically enough, very similar to the Surface Duo concepts. And Surface Duo in general, the Surface Duo 1, Surface Duo 2, where it's this kind of booklet type cell phone that you're getting rather than a, ginormous display inside, and it's just a kind of candy bar cell phone on the outside. Instead, you're getting this more of a actual tablet rather than that, which again I think is a cool concept. Shout out here to Vadim. Okay, I'm gonna probably butcher that name. Shout out to him for posting this. I'm excited to see what might end up being a $2,500 foldable cell phone, which isn't really that crazy when you compare it to other foldable phones now being like $2,000 a piece. So $2,500, not the craziest price tag in the world, but yeah. It's funny too how over the years, no matter what foldable phone has come out, from Samsung, from Google, from Huawei, from Honor, from Xiaomi, from you pretty much name it, it's always been compared to that iPad Mini. The concept of putting a foldable phone that's the size of the iPad Mini, pretty much folding the iPad Mini in half, putting it in your pocket, walking, going outside, doing stuff, pulling that out, being able to just use it like an actual tablet pretty much has always been the concept. And now we finally have the actual thing from Apple. Dang. It's almost to a point where we have fully now come full circle all the way around. But comment down below your thoughts, opinions. I'll see you guys next one.